So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. In our first news today, Indian Oil Corporation, which is famous for petrol bunks, announced to install 10,000 EV charging stations by next 3 years. Already, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited (BPCL) announced to set up 7,000 electric vehicle charging stations in the coming years, and also HPCL already announced to set up 5,000 charging stations by next 3 years. But the main thing here, all companies are saying that we want to install charging stations. But if you see the real progress, it's getting delayed every time. But anyway, all these companies have some great intention to set up close to 22,000 charging stations all put together. But if all this happen on time within next 3 to 4 years, definitely it's a great push for the electric vehicle industry. And the next news, it's about OnePlus and Realme. These are famous for smartphones and smart televisions in India. However, these two companies plans to enter into the electric vehicle segment of India. After looking at the great improvisation of the electric vehicle market, already OnePlus filed trademarks for driverless car, which is the autonomous electric car, and also electric cycles and electric scooters. Even earlier, Realme also filed trademarks for their electric cycles and electric scooters. So we can expect electric two-wheelers from this Realme and OnePlus brand soon in India. The next news, it's about the best-selling car, the manufacturer Maruti Suzuki, and most of the audience who are using Maruti Suzuki cars or even other car lovers also waiting for the launch of Maruti Suzuki's electric cars. And this company is famous for the budget-friendly cars in the Indian segment. But recently, Maruti Suzuki officials said that their first electric car is to be rolled out in 2025. And the reason for this delay is Maruti Suzuki want to enter into the market when there is a great demand for electric vehicles. And their plan is to sell at least 10,000 units of electric car every month. And they are believing that it can be possible only in the year of 2025. So it indirectly says that Maruti Wagoner electric car may get delayed for 2025, or it can be an exceptional case. And the next news, it's about Ather Energy. The company is famous for the fastest electric scooter in India, the 450X. And recently, they started installing the Ather Grid 2.4 version, and they are already started this installation process in Chennai and Bengaluru. And the main difference between Ather 1.4 charging grid and Ather 2.4 charge grid, Ather Grid 2.4 supports future fast charging capabilities. In addition to that, it will support OTA upgrades. And when compared with Ather Grid 1.4, this 2.4 is more reliable and comes with more safety features as well. And finally, Ather Energy have plans to set up 500 charging stations across India by next year. In the next news, it's about Tata Power. Tata Power achieved an unique milestone in the electric vehicle segment. They have installed 1,000 electric vehicle charging stations across 180 cities in India. Definitely, it's a unique milestone. Because of this 1,000 EV charging stations, electric vehicle owners get benefited from this. Even Tata Power has a aim to set up 10,000 electric vehicle charging stations in the next few years. And salute to Tata Power for their commitment. And final news, it is a shocking news. Delhi government stops the incentives for electric car users. They only restricted the subsidies for electric two-wheeler users and electric three-wheeler users. And they made some interesting comments that car owners don't worry about this 1 lakh rupees of subsidy. The main motto is to get more concentration on electric two-wheelers and electric three-wheeler users. On the other side, there is one more positive news from Delhi. In the month of July to September, the registrations of electric vehicles crossed the registrations of CNG vehicles. This is one record in Delhi. First time electric vehicle registration crossed the registrations of CNG vehicles. Over 1.5 lakh vehicles registered for the month of July to September, and out of this, 6,857 are CNG vehicles, whereas 7,869 vehicles are electric vehicles. And one of the main reasons for the increase of electric vehicle registrations is because of the state government's additional subsidies, and also they waived off this road tax and registration fees. And electric vehicle viewers, we need your support. Please share your local electric vehicle news with us. You can join our Telegram group, and we will provide the link in the description below. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel, and for fast updates, please do follow our Facebook page and website. Go Green, Go Electric.